Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you chapter number 4, algebra. What is algebra? In algebra, letters are used with the numbers. Examples 3x, 5y, 3a, 3u. Any letters, any alphabet can be used like A to Z with the digits. These letters are variables. Look at this expression 6x plus 13. X is variable. It can be changed. Any alphabet can be used that will be variable, and the digits used with the variable is a coefficient. Plus 13, 13 only single numbers used. There is no variable used, that is constant. Now, notations and evaluations of the algebraic expressions. Write the statement into algebraic expression. This is the first question of exercise 4a. So, before starting exercise 4a, let me revise some basic concepts. The words you have to remember, you have to write these words to remember on your notebook. The statements in word: sum of x and y. How to write this statement into algebraic expression? Sum mean add. So you will use the symbol like sum of x and y. Letters are using in algebra. So you will write sum mean add x plus y. Product of x and y. What does it mean? Product mean multiplication, like x and y multiply. So we never use a multiplication sign when x y, two variables coming together. It's mean these are multiplying, so don't need to put the multiplication sign x y. Square of x. You have done the square numbers like 2 index 2, 3 index 2. Always index will be 2. So here we are doing algebra, that's why letters are using x. Square mean 2. Square of x mean x 2. X index 2. Cube of x. You have done the cube numbers and you already know when the cube means 3, like 3 index 3, index will be 3. So variables using x, cube mean 3, so you will write x index 3. So these points words you have to remember when you are going to convert statements into algebraic expression. Square root you have done, you know that the symbols of square root. Square root of y, and before that you have done just only numbers used inside the square root, cube root, but in algebra they are using the variables like alphabets. Square root of y, put the square root symbol and then y inside the square root. Cube root, you know the symbols cube root, put cube root symbol and then x inside. Twice the variable p, twice the variable p mean 2p, p is 2 time. And thrice mean 3, thrice the variable m, thrice variable m, 3m. X divide by 3. And how to write in algebraic expression? You will write x division sign then 3. The otherwise you can write x numerator and 3 denominator. You can write like this as well, both will be right. 3k multiply by q. So multiplication, don't need to put the multiplication sign. You can write 3kq. No sign, it's mean multiplication sign. 3kq is answer. 3 times variable x. Times mean multiply. So 3 time x. This is 3 time x. 3 multiply x. Subtract sign. Subtract 14. Subtract 14 from 5a. Subtract 14 from 5a. So you have to remember all these words, like statement given to you how to convert into algebraic expression. The next video we will solve the question number 1 of exercise 4a. So watch second video how to solve question number 1 exercise 4a. Thank you.